Page 22, Niagara Falls. Well, we got a mess going on here. Look at this. We got notes going all over everywhere. However, when you look at it, you realize, well, this is just a bunch of broken chords, a bunch of arpeggiated chords. So let's see. It's a good practice or a good exercise in when do I look at the music and when do I have to look at the keyboard and to coordinate that. Because I got to look at the music to see what notes are coming. I got to look at the keyboard to see where I'm moving to, and it all has to happen at the same time. You kind of get into a rhythm. It's 2 pages long, treble and bass clef, 3/4 time signatures. There's 3 beats and a measure. We got quarter notes and dotted half notes. I don't see any accidentals, so we're only using the white keys. And we got all these broken chords. Look at the first couple measures or so. Those 3 notes together, that's just a C chord. And then the LH is left hand, that's a C chord. And the 3rd measure is a C chord, C chord. And you get down to the 3rd line on here, well, that's the chord. And then on measure 25, that's the G chord, G chord. They're just broken chords. So we just got to figure out how to get them all in time, no hesitations. So at the beginning, you're up here in the right hand, the left hand is 1, 2, 3, and as you're doing this, you're reading the music and seeing what's coming. Oh, it's a C chord, so as you're playing this, you get ready. Just hold the hand over, ready to go, because that's where it needs to be. And as it's playing, then you get your left hand ready, and then the right hand is over. So you're kind of looking ahead to see what's there, and then you're looking down to here just long enough to get your hand. You only have to glance down. You don't have to study the keyboard. You know what it looks like. Just glance down, and you're back up to see what's coming. And you get them even. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, here. You get to rest for a couple measures, then you do that mess again. Then on measure 15, it's the D, F, and G. That's where we are. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. You notice these dotted half notes? All of them? That's the chord. It's the 5/7 chord or the G7 chord. That's all we're doing. And then you come down here a little bit to the G chord. And the right hand is here, left hand is here, right hand, left hand is here, left hand is over. And you learn to look at the music, glance down to see where you're at, study the music to see what's coming, glance down to make sure you're okay. It comes eventually. Let's go down on page 23, say, let's start on the odd tempo there on measure 49. You're down here in the left hand. These are just broken C chords going on. Arpeggiated. Arpeggiated is a pattern of broken chord where you go from bottom to top or top to bottom. And that's really all we're doing here. These are all just arpeggiated chords. So you're down here, and then the right hand is here, then the left hand is here, right hand, left hand. Left hand goes over for 1 note. That's all. And then you get them together. And then you get a bass clef in the upper staff to come down here. C's both of them. Because you're getting bass clef and treble clef, they're changing on you. You got to watch out. Now there at the end, you're up here and you got to come all the way down to here. There's no rest. You got to lift up and move. The pedal will help you. You can take a little more time because the pedal will keep the sound going. So you got a little more time to come down here. And that is a C and a C. They're saying 3rd finger. I don't care what finger you use. Just pick a finger and use it. I usually use little because it's closer. I don't have to move as far. But you can use 3rd fingers if you want. So you go through and get the notes. Keep it nice and slow, but it's important that it be even with no hesitations. As far as the articulation goes, you're connecting this. You put an accent on the first one, okay. Then it gets a natural accent anyway, but they want to here, okay. So you put in the accents and the slurs. Dynamics, so it's going to be both hands for the most part. Loud, whatever you think loud is. That makes that one accent a no, very loud note. my mind, I would take it as far as connecting them. So I would take it according to the phrase, and the phrase goes all the way to the dotted half note. So it's at the beginning. That first line, I'd connect that first line. To me, that's all one sentence. So I would connect all that together. And then the same thing, starting with the next one, I'd connect all those quarter notes together. And then lift up. I'd connect all these quarter notes together. The accents went away, but you still get the natural accent. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now an accent here. Because the AVA, you're up higher. You know, did I mention the AVA? It's there. So you put in the articulation. The dynamics, the loud, whatever you think loud is. The accented note will be a very loud note. That'll die away on its own. Just match that when you do this. This is kind of going to be moderately soft, moderately loud in the middle, and then loud again. Then it dies away. Then you're soft. The accented note will be moderately soft. And measure 20, you get the crescendo. It's the same as a hairpin, and don't get moderately loud until the MF. So a little louder. Here, of course, with an accent makes it loud, then soft. Measure 27, you get a crescendo again. You're going to go back up to loud on the C. Don't get loud until the dotted half note. So soft, soft. Save most of your crescendo toward the end. Yeah. And then you're loud again. Okay. Speed-wise, it has to be accurate. What can you play evenly and controlled? That's yours. You're moving quickly. To me, it's about where I've been going. It's fine. It doesn't need to be. That's too quickly. I think the falls are going too fast here. Just where I was. If that's too fast for you, that's fine. Slow it down. If that's how fast your falls want to go, then good enough. Keep the whole thing pretty much at one speed. Now there is a retardando there on measure 47 where you're down here. 45, you're here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's almost like putting fermatas on those notes. You're holding them out a little longer. And then the odd tempo means resume what you were doing before you slowed down. Is. Now they've added pedal. Well, that's just going to mess it up. I like it without pedal myself, but they put pedal in, so let's see what we got. I'm going to push the note down first and then the pedal. And on measure 7, I lift the pedal after I play the note. I play the chord and then lift the pedal. So again, starting with the dotted half notes there. Measure 5. And then do it again. Here, and then going on, push the pedal down to the note. You're holding the pedal down all the way to the end of the page. And you lift the pedal up at the end of the page, lift it up with the hand for the rest. One beat of silence before we go through this some more. That's for the most part the pedal all the way through. missed it before, there is another retardando there. What am I, measure 30 or so. You're slowing down here, and then the off tempo at measure 33 takes you off again. Okay. How much you slow down is up to you. It's a felt thing. What do you feel it should slow down to? Don't get too slow. It's not, but slow down a little bit. Let's play this together very slowly and double check all the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, and I'm not going to do the pedaling because you can hear the notes better without the pedal. You need to play the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. So I'll give us 3 counts. So let's just do this slowly. 1, ready, go. Two, three, tie, 2, rest. Tie, 2, 3, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, off.